As I was saying in the last lesson, you can have more than one of these masks. So what we'll look at now is we'll take our existing mask and we'll add a second mask to the same layer. To do that, you would just apply in the same sort of way. We're going to select our layer. We'll try grabbing a different shape this time, or let's use the pen tool this time. You can see how the pen tool works with it. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that both your shapes overlap a little bit. So I'll just draw a crazy shape. And now we can see that both of them are masking. So I'm going to select my layer again and press M to get it down to just my masks and the mask paths. Now, next to the word mask, you'll see that it says add. And what that means is that both layers are going to combine to make kind of a unimask when they align. You can also change this, and you're always going to want to make your changes based on the lower mask, because the lower mask is going to work within the upper mask. So let's say that we want our lower mask to subtract from this, so that it removes this piece from our other mask. What you can do is switch it from add to subtract, and now it cuts out a piece of that mask, sort of like the way that Pathfinder works. Now, if you move this mask around, it's not going to be a permanent thing. So you can actually work with this in an animation. There's also an intersect option, and that way you only show the intersection of the two. And there's a difference option, and that's only going to show you the areas where they don't intersect, and where the intersect is, it cuts out. The lighten and darken options, the lighten is very similar to add, but it has to deal with flattening out your opacity. Same is true for darken and difference. Darken and intersect. Once again, it's going to show you the intersect, but it's going to flatten out the opacity. This is only true if you have some opacity within your masks. I don't want to go into too much detail into this because I don't want to overwhelm you, but this is basically how you can work with multiple masks, and you can have a number of masks on the same layer and have them all individually animated.